tatay at saka kuya ko. Yung pinatay nila, paulit-ulit ko kung sinasabi, mamatay na kayo!
Joseph Garganta, Marcelo Garganta, Michael Pina, Kian Lloyd de los Santos, Alfred Morte, Alfred Orlando, Alfred Alan Candela, Alfredo Espiritu Flores, Alan Malumbay, Alan Fernandez, Maika Ulpina, Kian Lloyd de los Santos.
Masarap sa pakiramdam na sumigaw sa mismong tapat ng ICC. Kung hindi nyo kayang dali ng hustisya sa amin, kami ang pupunta sa inyo para makuha namin yung hustisya.
Remember, today was supposed to be the confirmation of charges hearing and that was postponed.
Ang inutang at wala na sa education. Puro may mga confidential. 16, nakauup December 2019.
There are people here, you know, those who were there during my Lumad children had no schools to speak of.
Para sa akin, tapos na ang araw ng pag-iyak, tapos na ang araw ng takot. Dapat itong harapin.